Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Here's the another study vlog for you all. I have got a severe cold and sore throat. You can see my eyes is fully red, and yeah, leave that topic. So I'll be starting my day with accounts. First of all, I'll just complete drinking this cup of chai, my desi paracetamol. Yeah. Then I'll be starting my day with accounts. Also guys, whenever I get this cold, I don't know why, I feel so damn sleepy. Even after having a whole cup of tea, I feel like sleeping. Literally the female version of Kumkaran. I feel that. And uh, since the day I have come back from Chennai, I am facing this issue, and I have given rest to my body for like one day. The whole day I was resting, but ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, and exams are very close. This thought is making me more depressed. एग्ज़ाम्स आ रहे हैं, तबीयत ख़राब है, करूँ तो करूँ क्या, वैसा वाला फीलिंग है. स्टिल थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आई ट्राई टू गेट बैक ऑन द ट्रैक. ऐसे पूरा तो छोड़ नहीं सकते, वरना फिर. As I said, I am doing accounts, but I want you all to guess the chapter name. It's not that tough. Okay, I am giving you all a hint. It ends with something where both the answer should tally. The toughest part, it doesn't tally. It takes a lot of time. Pause this video and do let me know your answers in comment, and I'll give you a shout out in next week video. So any juniors watching this video who wants to prepare for CA Foundation exams, first of all, congratulations for your board exam result, and I'll be happy to give you guidance about CA Foundation attempt. If you want, comment down below. I'll probably make a separate video for this. Also guys, I am planning to give a full final test of my 4 chapters and will be recording that as well, so stay tuned. Many more exciting vlogs are on the way. So make sure you support my channel and I'll keep on entertaining you guys. So guys, one of you asked me about my syllabus and preparation, so let me just tell you that I haven't completed the whole syllabus. Few chapters are left, and probably in 3-4 days I'll try to complete the chapters. I mean the syllabus. Also guys, I like interacting with you all. I am getting few comments. They are literally motivating me, and I feel so grateful. थोड़ा सा ही है, बट आता है तो अच्छा लगता है. आप लोग ऐसे ही कमेंट करो, और कुछ भी डाउट हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो, फील फ्री टू आस्क मी. आई रिप्लाई टू ईच वन ऑफ यू ऑल. I am back, and as you have seen, I have done 2-3 sums of final accounts and will be doing more sum as I feel quite energetic now. I'll be making my another cup of tea, and then I'll continue with accounts. And if I'll show you more of accounts, you'll probably get bored, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Oh, have you subscribed? No, kar do abhi. My health got worse on Sunday. I made a kaala, and I was getting so tensed about my upcoming exams that I just sat with economics. Literally body में energy नहीं है, but I just sat. I have shared in my last video that I have completed market chapter. If you haven't watched that video, please do watch, providing the link in the description. Okay. So as I said, I completed eco chapter in Chennai. So I just thought of solving MCQs of that chapter. I was solving MCQs itself in the book. This book has almost 80 to 90 MCQs for this market chapter and contains RTPs, MTPs. Came back home, I had momos, and guys, it was so damn yum, guys. मतलब एडिट करते करते ही मुझे भूख लग रहा है. Later, I also gave test, basically solved December 2020 question paper. Guys, I post regular updates on Instagram, so I'll give the link in the description. Make sure you follow me over there also. Full recipe is uploaded on Instagram. I have practice accounts partnership chapter. It is a very important and carries a lot of marks, guys. I wasn't satisfied with my Sunday, so at night only I decided that I'll plan my Monday very well and make sure it will be more productive than yesterday. So I just directly sat with law and started revising because I don't want to lose any touch and regret later. So I'm just revising the previous chapters that I have completed. I am sick and still making videos for you all, so make sure you support my channel by liking and subscribing.